Capture every moment with precision and ease. The best compact Digicam delivers exceptional image quality in a pocket-sized design, making travel, events, and everyday photography effortless. Perfect for those who value performance, portability, and stunning photos on the go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. KODAK PIXPRO Compact Digicam. The KODAK PIXPRO Compact Digicam is a versatile and user-friendly camera, ideal for capturing everyday moments and travel adventures. Equipped with a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor, this compact Digicam delivers clear and vibrant photos with excellent detail. Its 5x optical zoom, paired with a 28mm wide-angle lens, allows users to capture expansive landscapes or zoom in on distant subjects without compromising image quality. The camera also records full HD 1080p videos, making it a solid choice for vlogging or home videos. Its 2.7-inch LCD screen provides a simple and intuitive interface to review your shots and adjust settings quickly. The PIXPRO supports SD cards up to 512 GB, Class 10, offering ample storage for photos and videos. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it provides reliable performance without the need for frequent replacements. Designed with portability in mind, this camera fits comfortably in a bag or even a large pocket, making it perfect for spontaneous photography. Number 2. KODAK FC45 Compact Digicam. The KODAK FC45 Compact Digicam is built for users seeking simplicity without sacrificing quality. Featuring a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor, it produces sharp, detailed photos suitable for casual photography, family events, or travel. The 4x optical zoom with a 27mm wide-angle lens provides flexibility for capturing wide landscapes or closer subjects, ensuring versatility for a range of scenes. Full HD 1080p video recording is included, making it easy to document memorable moments in crisp detail. This compact Digicam includes a 2.7-inch LCD screen that allows users to navigate settings and preview shots with ease. Compatible with SD cards up to 512 GB, Class 10, it offers plenty of storage for both images and video. Its compact size and lightweight design make it convenient for on-the-go photography, easily slipping into a backpack or handbag. Perfect for beginners or casual photographers, the FC45 focuses on straightforward operation while still offering solid performance.
Number 3. TEFTYMON 64-megapixel Compact Digicam. The TEFTYMON 64-megapixel Compact Digicam is a powerhouse for photography enthusiasts seeking high-resolution images in a portable format. Boasting a 64-megapixel sensor and 4K video recording, this camera captures sharp, detailed photos and videos suitable for vlogging, travel, and everyday use. Its advanced autofocus ensures precise focus even on distant or moving subjects, while the 16x digital zoom brings faraway details into crisp clarity. The 3.0-inch IPS 180-degree flip screen is perfect for selfies and video blogging, allowing full visibility from multiple angles. With built-in Wi-Fi, transferring photos and videos to smartphones or social media is fast and convenient. The camera also comes with dual batteries and straps, making it a reliable travel companion. Multifunctional features such as time-lapse, slow motion, fill light, beauty mode, and smile detection expand creative possibilities, while its compact design ensures portability. Lightweight yet durable, the TEFTYMON combines versatility with cutting-edge imaging technology, making it ideal for both casual users and content creators who want high-quality performance in a travel-friendly package.
Number 4. The Lecran 64-megapixel Compact Digicam. The Lecran 64-megapixel compact Digicam delivers exceptional photography and video capabilities in a small, travel-friendly package. Its IMX214 CMOS sensor produces ultra-high-definition 64-megapixel images and 5K video at 30 FPS, capturing fine details in both scenic landscapes and close-up portraits. Dual-lens technology with 6x optical zoom and 16x digital zoom ensures clarity even at a distance, while anti-shake functionality minimizes blur. The camera's 2.8-inch IPS touchscreen allows for intuitive control, making it easy to adjust settings and preview shots. Built-in Wi-Fi enables quick transfer of photos and videos to smartphones, streamlining social media sharing. A built-in flash and compact design make it suitable for low-light environments, street photography, and travel adventures. Multifunctional features include time-lapse, slow motion, continuous shooting, pause and playback, date stamp, and webcam capabilities, offering flexibility for both photography and content creation.
Number 5. Duluvulu 48-megapixel compact Digicam. The Duluvulu 48-megapixel compact Digicam combines high-resolution imaging with travel-friendly portability. Its 48-megapixel sensor captures ultra-clear photos, while 4K video recording ensures detailed footage for vlogs or personal projects. Autofocus and 16x digital zoom enhance precision, allowing users to capture distant or fast-moving subjects with clarity. The 3.0-inch IPS 180-degree flip screen is ideal for selfies, vlogging, and creative compositions. Designed for convenience, this compact camera comes with dual batteries and a charging station, providing uninterrupted photography during extended outings. Multifunctional features such as slow motion, time-lapse, exposure adjustment, fill light, smile detection, anti-shake, and continuous shooting give users creative flexibility. Additionally, the camera doubles as a webcam, making it suitable for video calls and live streaming. Lightweight and durable, the Duluvulu Digicam is easy to carry for travel, daily use, or outdoor adventures. Combining advanced imaging technology with intuitive operation and portability, this camera offers both amateur and experienced photographers a dependable solution for capturing memories, creating content, and exploring photography creatively without sacrificing convenience.
Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.